Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jim. This is Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. Today we're going to do a final update before the reveal of the Glory Days of Drag Racing Group Build 2025, sponsored by Joe from Big Sky Models and Tiffany from Dirt Road Cinderella. And before I get started on the last update, I'd like to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I'm now over 300 subscribed, and that's just totally amazing. And I don't know what to say, but thank you very much. And I finally got my own shop card, which is right there, and if anybody's interested, just leave me an email. My email address is in the description, and I'll send one out to you. And I'm pretty excited I finally got that. I also want to do a shout out to the garage with Zippi. Zippi is a really good builder. He builds some really amazing models, and I appreciate the nice things he said to me. So if you've never been there on his channel, description will be down there. His channel. Go check him out. He's really a good builder, a good guy. And with that, I will bring you down here and show you the last update on this Nova. Be right back. As far as the interior goes, here's the interior. It came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Should go. It's a fabricated roll bar. It's got a tachometer, Hurst shifter. Grumpy always liked the Hurst shifters, T-handles in these older cars. Here's the chassis. Here's the engine. Came out really nice. This isn't mounted yet. This goes inside the body. It's got a Excel coil and distributor. Brake lines run, and here's the body. Side windows are drying right now, so that'll be ready by the time the reveal happens. It came out really nice. All the decals, they're all under the clear. I did a little sanding and polishing, not a whole lot. And real happy so far with the way this came out. It's going to be a pretty cool build once it's all together and finished. I still have bumpers and moldings and a radiator support with the radiator. Here's the hood. Hood came out nice. May not stay in there. No. But that's about it for the update. And again, I just want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. And if this is something you like, please subscribe, hit the like button. And until then, everybody have a great night. And again, here is my shop card. If you want one, just send me an email. Take care. Love all you guys. Thank you very much. Bye.